problem is I have an unhealthy addiction to Lummix's channel. I'm gonna be real with you. If you throw enough shit at the wall, you eventually make Lummix's channel.
Shout out to the Hoodlums. Shout out to the Hoodlums.
Hey, bud.
What up, pimp?
The chupacabra. Yeah, I was on top of the house. And I got fucking murdered. Got my ex. Ban Vubros, please.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier. You got your ass kicked in that one. We're sending you back to base.
He got banned because he wanted to make fun. Like, the whole 1% thing is I claimed I was 1% Call of Duty, which I am. But people don't understand, like, 1% Call of Duty means you're in, like, the top 500,000. Hey, Omarte, we expect everything, but there's 75 million WarZone players. You're saying you're top set. You should. What did he say? So you should win 80% of your gunfights? I do win 80% of my gunfights, dude. If I wanted to, I could have a 4KD on this game. Like I did every other Call of Duty game. I just play a little bit more aggressive now. That's what 4KD, that's how you get a 4KD, camp and hide.
Enemy UAV overhead.
What are you talking about? Help, 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 oh, fuck.
Shit, they pushed me. They pushed me, and they're both on the second floor.
Matter of fact, ban anybody who just used a 1% joke. Get them out of here. Ban Boise the troll as well. I think Warzone's not for me. Ban Cali combos, please. Leaderboard for this game? Probably not. I'm talking about overall as a Call of Duty player. I've been top 1% like in Ghost, for example. I was top 1% almost in every category except score per minute.
He's fighting another group, I think.
Oh no! It's hard left. Hard left. Oh, go. No, 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 come on.
Don't move. Fix you up.
No.
We need to go.
Play one more. I'll probably get off. Ban Evan A1, please. I know Omorte wants to be recognized, but the problem is like when I give mods to people, they usually turn on you. Here, Omorte, your mod.
Down one.
Bailey, be good. Bailey, nobody, humans don't hurt you.
Here's this
Updraft.
This is Tim.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
I got 2 cameras on the front porch, man.
Right
Front porch.
Alright.
I'm trying to adjust. I'll adjust them. Come back and readjust them. Let's see how they look. On those 2, once I get it hooked up, I got 2 more. We'll put one on the back, one on this end. The way I've done those 2. Like this.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
I'm on the wheel.
Go.
Alright.
One's covering that area and one's covering that area.
I'll mess with it.
And then the other 2 cameras I got in the truck, I'll come back to Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yeah.
Let's ride.
I'll run out there and we'll do the back.
Alright.
Let's see what it looks like. Look this up. You know how to do that, I don't.
Yeah.
I had the curves up. It did take her like 5 minutes.
Oh.
Program it in the form of something.
I'll ride for cover.
No, that's David. He's hooking my cameras up. Yeah, I got 6 HD cameras. I traded a couple guns for it. He wanted an assault rifle and a pistol. I'm like, I'll trade you this for like a high-end camera system installed.
What are you gonna use the cameras for?
Surveillance. These have a DVR, and like they are motion
Enemy UAV
sensitive.
overhead.
So like when something walks up, they record it and they let me know on my phone. The whole 9. It's also useful as like somebody wants to come out and mess with my stuff, like trolls
Proceed
and
to the
things like
marked
that.
location and secure the area.
So I can record them, so I have something to turn into the police. Oh, you got here on the playground, Metro. I feel you. I'm going to slide. Too
Enemy
fat.
UAV overhead.
Put this seat now.
It's got me though.
Alright.
The cameras are not going to work unless you got that on.
Alright.
I didn't realize that plug in that ceiling
Yeah.
on with the light.
Yeah.
Someone has to fix that. The
Alright.
only way these cameras will stay on is plug to stay on all the time.
Yeah. Just adjust it later. Alright.
Just hook that there up and see how they look.
Yeah.
Come back in the middle. Pick up.
I'm gonna hook it
Do you
to
have
the
a
big
gas
TV.
mask?
Yeah, I got a gas mask.
Going back in. Okay.
I'm hit.
I think the wife wants to drive 4 hours to someplace. Go.
4 hours to where?
I have no. They're up. Both up. Both up. Both up. Oh my lord. Self-reviving.
Got one. Ah, shit.
To you now.
They're both
No.
cracked.
Oh, there was 2. I thought you killed one. Oh.
Gas is closing in.
Coming towards you.
Relocating the safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Come on,
All
dog.
out there. Return to base for debrief.
Alright, good games, man. Good games. Alright, boys. Thank you, Objectify, for all the bits. Thanks everybody for coming out chilling with your boy. Thank you, Omar Tay, for $50. Hope everybody had a wonderful time. I got to do some stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm Audi 5000. That's actually pretty good. Lummox.